Hello everyone. I want to ask you a tough question. You probably think that you do 500 million in business in a year, there should be some profit left at the end, right? But have you ever really thought about it? Your profit is actually being eaten away little by little by welders and rework. I'm not exaggerating. This problem might be way bigger than you realize. If you still welding medium on the heaviest plates by hand, let me tell you, you can work your tail off all year, and in the end, there may be nothing left to pay out. It's not that you are not working hard, it's that your profit is getting eaten up by welders and rework. Let me show you some numbers. In heavy equipment manufacturing, welding accounts for 70% of the product. Back in 1996, industrial robots started coming to China with the auto industry. Now there are installed over 40,000 units. It's too big. But if you look closely, most of these robots are working on thin old tubes, cheap metal, small enclosures, high volume, low variety products jobs. But what about the other 70% of the volume? Medium and heavy plate, industries like shipbuilding, construction machinery, mining equipment, modified vehicles, hydraulic equipment, heavy machinery. The space automation rates are shockingly low. Why? Because industrial robot can handle it. Medium and heavy plate work is defined by big parts, think material, small batches, high variety, long welds, and heavy weight. What industrial robots need is professional programming, precision tool, repeat positioning, and fixed lines. But in heavy industries, except for high volume stuff like construction machinery or HB steel, most of the parts are just too big, heavy to move around. Robot can't really work well here. So even now, manual welding is still the main way. At the start of 2025, we visited a special vehicle manufacturer. They had over 500 people, and at the end of the 2025, their revenue was over 500 million. But after all costs, expenses, taxes, wages, their net profit was less than 2 million. 2 million. And that's before the counting account receivable. So where is the problem? Welders costs and rework costs were over 30%. Over a year, they were spending 30 million just on welders and rework. What the owner said really stuck with me. No matter how big the company looks, if we don't make a change, we won't make it. Based on this, we recommend our collaborative welding robot. Now they have bought over almost 100 units, and their number of welders has dropped by more than half. I asked them why choose us. He gave me a few key reasons. First, the parts are big and hard to flip. Industrial robots need complex programming. Every weld has to be programmed, and they take up a lot of space. Their shop was already very tight, so industrial robots just didn't fit. 2. Welders are hard to hire, hard to manage, and expensive. With robots, You don't have to worry about the attitude, attendance, or efficiency. 3. Collaborative welding robots are easy to learn. They hired graduates from technical schools with drag and ditch to walkthroughs, and they basically got it. A couple more days of practice, they could weld parts on their own. The welders just had to touch up the sports that the robot cannot reach. 4. Investment was under 20,000 US dollars. The payback was fast, maximum half a year. So by 2025, their overall performance had improved significantly. One more thing. Uh, Welding quality is consistent. Robots don't have mood swinging, so the welds come out consistent every time. Customer satisfaction went up, and so their order rate. So if you are also in medium and heavy plate welding, and you want to solve your structural welding problems, looking for a reliable collaborative welding robot brand, let's talk. We can sit down one by one, look at your company, your product, and your industry. I'm not here selling the cobots. I'm here helping you solve problems, cut cost, improve efficiency, fix real issues. That's what we are about. I'm Roy. Thanks very much.